Welcome back to the channel today, guy. I've got two things I want to go over with you, so let's roll the intro and get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about, and I'll keep this short, and then we'll get on to the camera end. Today is 2 years, February 1st, 2025. It's 2 years since we started our YouTube channel. We started it February 1st, 2023. Our first year, we had 533 subscribers, and every one of you guys are important. At 533, man, I thought, man, we are doing good. Well, now we have 8,409. So what went from a little bit of fun now has kind of got to almost like a job, because I've got stuff to show you guys. I've got stuff, some of you guys are asking me questions. I'm trying to teach a little bit of photography. I'm reviewing gear, doing a lot of things, and I don't ever want to steer anybody wrong. This is my 43rd year in photography, and this is my way of paying back. I was trained at 15 with a couple of young photographers that really knew what they were doing. They took me under their wing and showed me how to do it, and I've been doing it ever since. 2 years ago today, we started audio and video too, so there's another anniversary. But 2 years ago, we started doing audio and video, and I think we've got that pretty set up. And just because you're a photographer does not mean you're a videographer. Two different things. Videographers work with audio and moving pictures. Photographers work with still images. Big difference, but I know a lot of people don't understand that. But before I get to the camera that I want you guys to know, first thing I want you guys to know is I appreciate every single one of you. Everybody brings something good to the table. I appreciate it. We had no idea it would grow this fast. Just thanks to you guys for watching us and helping us out along as we go. And I'm trying to bring the best I've got to you guys. My email is always there. I try to get to everybody's questions. I want this to be everyone's home for photography. If you have any questions at all, let me know down at the bottom. And if it's a private question or something you don't want down just at the bottom, my email is down there. So just send me an email and I'll take a look at it. But anyway, guys, I just want to thank you so much for the over 8,000 subscribers we have now. It's just mind-blowing. But anyway, I thank you so much. Let's get on to the camera that I recommend. Now, if you're starting a YouTube channel and you have like no experience, and this is something I've often thought, I had a fairly hard time getting my YouTube channel going, and I already had 40 years of experience in photography. I already understood lighting. I already understood a lot of things. So I've watched a lot of YouTube channels, and I'm surprised that some of the videos look as good as they do, because there's a lot that goes into videography with sound and the pictures and the crops, and there's so much goes into it. But the camera that I want to recommend for beginners who really don't know what they're doing, this is what I call the do everything camera. And I don't mean it just does everything okay. This camera does everything, and it does a fantastic job. I use it all the time. You guys that watch the channel probably know what I'm fixing to show you. If you have no experience and you need a camera for your YouTube channel, I can think of no camera better than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I've got it in protective gear here. Let me get it undone. This little camera has a gimbal on top of it. Let's see if I can turn it around toward you. And it's got a vertical screen and a horizontal screen. So if I turn it horizontal, I can now turn, you can see it turn, I can turn the gimbal at the top. You can see it turning just a little bit. And you can set this gimbal to follow you. You can do all kinds of things with it. You can shoot in 4K 24. You can take pictures with it. And the sound is not an issue at all. And sound is one of the biggest issues you're going to run into when you start running a YouTube channel. You take a DJI mic too, which comes in the starter kit of this. If I don't have it on here. It's a little microphone. You turn it on, and it syncs automatically to this. You don't have to worry about anything. You just sync it together and start talking. Now, not only is this good for, sitting here like talking head, but if you're vlogging and you're walking down the road and you're using this, it's got the gimbal on there, so it's going to be super smooth. I mean, there's just nothing about this camera that I don't like. I take it on all my vacations. I take it everywhere I go. Most of these type recordings, I'm using my Lumix G9 Mark II. It's a little more complicated than this camera, but the Osmo Pocket 3 is just an absolutely unbelievable camera. You've got extension batteries you can stick on there if you need more room. So you can build this thing out. You can get cages around it. They've got all kinds of stuff. And you got lenses that you can put on here. We tried out just a few days ago. I did a video of a zoom and a wide angle lens. I'll link that down at the bottom so you can see that. So this will get you everything you need to get going on your YouTube channel. I think the creator kit's like $650. Comes with everything you need. You need nothing else other than this for as far as cameras and sound go. You are good to go. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Don't forget that. If you have any questions about one, just let me know. I'll be glad to get back to you. I love it. I use it a lot of time as B-roll. If I'm shooting a model outside, I'll have it recording me shooting with the other camera. But the camera is just out of this world fantastic. I've got so much stuff for it now. I have a case for it. And everything I've got won't even fit in the case. I just love that camera so much that I've got it full. But it is an amazing little camera. And like I said, if you're starting a YouTube channel, you're not going to find a better camera than that DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It is going to be the best quality, the easiest focused, the easiest to do sound. It's just going to blow your mind, especially if you've been working with any other cameras for a while. You'll see, oh man, why didn't I get this first? But anyway, that's it today, guys. I will go into the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 into more detail in the next few weeks so you guys can check it out and see what it's all about. I wanted to cover that, and I wanted to say thanks again for our 2nd year anniversary for giving us our 8,409 subscriptions. And this is a few days before. This was filmed a few days before February 1st, so there may be a little more than that then, but I appreciate it. I appreciate all you guys so much. And if there's anything that we can do to help you out, we want this to be your home for photography. We really do. And any questions you guys have, if we're helping you out, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button at the end, guys. We appreciate it. Thank you for everything. And check back in a few days or so. I will have a more in-depth detail on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You guys have a great day. Thank you.